How to use ChatGPT to post a blog. To start, here are some steps you can follow to write and publish a blog post. 1. Choose a topic. The first step in writing a blog post is to choose a topic that interests you and your audience. Brainstorm ideas, do research, and consider what your readers might find helpful or informative. 2. Create an outline. Once you have a topic, create an outline for your post. This will help you organize your thoughts and ensure that your post flows logically. 3. Write the post. With your outline in place, start writing your blog post. Write a compelling introduction, use subheadings to break up the content, and include examples, anecdotes, and data to support your points. 4. Edit and proofread. Once you have written your post, take the time to edit. Check for grammar and spelling errors, ensure that your post is well structured and easy to read, and make any necessary revisions. 5. Add images and other media. To make your post more engaging, add images, videos, and other media. This can help break up the text and make your post more visually appealing. 5. Publish the post. Once you are happy with your post, it's time to publish it. Choose a platform to host your blog, such as WordPress or Medium, and upload your post. Be sure to add a catchy title, tags, and a meta description to make your post more discoverable. 6. Promote your post. Finally, promote your post on social media, through email marketing, or other channels. Encourage your readers to share your post and engage with your content. Writing a blog post can be a great way to share your ideas, promote your business, or connect with your audience. I hope these tips help you get started. Here are some reputable sources that provide information about blogging. ProBlogger. ProBlogger is a popular website that offers tips and resources for bloggers. They cover a wide range of topics, including writing, SEO, social media, and more. Copyblogger. Copyblogger is another popular website that provides resources for bloggers and content creators. They offer courses, tutorials, and blog posts on topics like copywriting, content marketing, and more. HubSpot Blog. HubSpot is a marketing and sales software company that provides a variety of resources for marketers and bloggers. Their blog covers topics like SEO, social media, content marketing, and more. Neil Patel. Neil Patel is a well-known digital marketing expert who offers a variety of resources on his website, including blog posts, videos, and courses. He covers topics like blogging, SEO, social media, and more. Smart Blogger. Smart Blogger is a website that provides resources for bloggers, including courses, guides, and tutorials. They cover topics like writing, SEO, and content marketing. The Blog Starter. The Blog Starter is a website that provides resources for new bloggers. They offer step-by-step guides on topics like setting up a blog, choosing a platform, and more. ProBlogger Podcast. ProBlogger also has a podcast where they share tips and insights for bloggers. The podcast covers a range of topics, including content creation, SEO, and social media. Blogging Wizard. Blogging Wizard is a website that offers tips and resources for bloggers. They cover topics like SEO, social media, and content marketing, and provide reviews of blogging tools and services. Successful Blogging. Successful Blogging is a website that provides resources and tips for bloggers. They cover topics like writing, SEO, social media, and more. Blogging Tips. Blogging Tips is a website that provides resources and tips for bloggers. They cover a wide range of topics, including content creation, SEO, social media, and more. These are just a few reputable sources for blogging. There are many other blogs, podcasts, and online courses available as well.